Hi everyone. This video explains how to knit this fantastic stretch knit featuring elegantly intertwined elongated knit loops against a garter stitch background. It's easy to knit, requiring only 3 loops and 2 rows. The resulting fabric is smooth and neat, with moderate stretch and a stable structure that prevents loosening. Plus, it has 2 beautiful sides, expanding its range of uses. We start with a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2 for symmetry and 2 edge loops. The first row is on the right side. After slipping the edge loop, knit 2 loops in a garter stitch part. We will knit these 2 stitches on both parts of the knitting. Make a yarn over loop. Lift the loop from the bottom row with the right hook and slip 1 loop through the back to twist it. Again, knit 2, yarn over, lift the loop from the bottom row, and slip 1 loop through the back to twist it. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, knit 2. The second row is on the wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, knit 2. Then purl 3 loops together. Again, knit 2, then purl 3 loops together. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, knit 2. When knitting in the round, all rows are on the right side, and there will be no edge loops or stitches for symmetry. To begin, cast on several stitches that are multiples of 3. The first row remains the same. In the second row, we are knitting according to the new scheme. Purl 2, and knit 3 together through the back. Purl 2, and knit 3 together through the back. On this screen, you can see both variations of schemes for knitting, flat and knitting in a round. You can capture them by pausing the video and taking the screenshot with the print screen button. I've shown you this stylish elastic knit, suitable for both clothing and accessories. It will make any garment knitted with it look luxurious. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.